Here's a quick tutorial on how you can get thick legs in Roblox. So first click on the avatar shop right here. And then we want to select characters. So from here, if you don't already have it, you should look for the Roblox girl. So take a look actually at all of the different characters that we have here for free. So we can do Lindsay as well. So just click on the character and then buy it. Okay. So now what we need to do is we need to click on the three lines right here and go to avatar. So from here, you want to hover over head and body and simply click left legs. So from here, look at the thickest legs that you have. So it should be this that I just bought. So give it a few seconds to load up. And as you can see, our legs are thicker now. And basically we need to repeat this for the right legs as well. So just make sure you have the same type of legs. So version 2, classic female version 2. And as you can see, now our legs are super thick. So that is how you do it. I hope this was useful. Leave a like and sub if it was, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.